According to the given, these two angles must be equal to each other, and they're asking me one of these angles, what is equal to x. So 88 plus 2x must be equal to 180, which is 2x is equal to 180 minus 88, which is equal to 92, and x is equal to, when I divide each side by 2, 92 over 2, that makes 46 degrees. This is what I know. Since these two sides are equal to each other, this angle must be equal to this angle too. And the sum of these angles for x plus x plus x must be equal to 180. So 6x is equal to 180 and x is equal to 30 degrees. They're asking me for this angle C, which is equal to x, and that is 30. They're asking for me the angle at the top, let's call it x. And these two sides are equal to each other, which means that this angle inside here must be equal to this angle. So 180 minus 132 is equal to this angle, say alpha. And alpha is equal to 48 degrees. That's why this must be equal to 48 too, since both of them must be equal to each other. And summing up these three angles, x plus 48 plus 48 is again 180. Then x plus 96 is equal to 180, and x is equal to 180 minus 96, that is equal to 84 degrees. According to the given, this angle here also must be equal to 4y, because these two sides are equal and we have an isosceles triangle. So what I have is 2x plus 8y, say, is equal to 180. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 8y. What they are asking to me is equal to x over 2. So I need to divide each side by 4. So I get x over 2 is equal to 45 minus 2y. I'm already given that AB is equal to AC. So 4x plus 4 is equal to 24. When I subtract 4 from each side, 4x is equal to 20. Dividing each side by 4, what I have is x is equal to 5. I know that this angle is 84 and they're asking for angle C, and let's call that angle as x, and angle B must be x2 because this is an isosceles triangle. So what I have is 84 plus 2x, x plus x is equal to 180. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 84, that is 96 degrees. So x is equal to, when I divide each side by 2, x is equal to 48 degrees. What they're asking to me is the difference between these two angles, that is 84 minus 48, and this is equal to 36 degrees. I'm supposed to find out the total perimeter of these two triangles, and the first one is an isosceles triangle, so here must be B2, and the second one is equilateral, so everywhere is 2a here. So what I have here for the first one is, as perimeter, is 2b plus a, and for the second one what I have is 3 times 2a, which is equal to 6a. That makes 7a plus 2b. First I need to find out these angles. Sum of these three angles, 2x plus 74 is equal to 180. Therefore 2x is equal to 180 minus 74, which is equal to 106. Dividing each side by 2, x is equal to 53 degrees. And the other one is an equilateral triangle, so each angle must be equal to 60 degrees here. When I sum up 60 with 53, what I get is 120. This is an equilateral triangle, therefore these angles are also equal to x. So this means that all x is equal to actually 60 degrees. And we know that x plus y is equal to 180. Therefore y is equal to 180 minus x. Then y is equal to 120. What they are asking to us is 2y minus x. Therefore this is equal to 2y is equal to 240 minus x is equal to 60. This is equal to 180 degrees. Perimeter for the equilateral triangle is 3 times of one side, and for the other one the perimeter is equal to the sum of all 3 sides, that is 2x plus 6 plus, since this is isosceles, this is also 6, and the difference is PD, sorry, should I said this is going to be 6x plus 18 minus 2x plus 12. That is equal to 6x plus 18 minus 2x minus 12. That is equal to 4x plus 6. This is an isosceles triangle. Here must be equal to 2x plus 42. So when I sum all these up, 2x plus 40 plus 2x plus 40 plus 2x, this is equal to 180. So 6x is equal plus 80 is equal to 180, and 6x is equal to 180 minus 80, that is 100. When I divide each side by 6, x is equal to 100 over 6, or 50 over 3 degrees. We have 3 triangles here, ABC, ABD, and ADC. So we have to sum up all the perimeters of these all 3 triangles. For the first one, let's start with ABD. We have AB, which is equal to 6, BD, which is equal to 5, and DA is equal to 4. Now we have the other second small triangle. We have ADC, which is equal to, AD is equal to 4, DC is equal to 5, and AC is equal to 6. Now we have the bigger triangle ABC. AB is equal to, again, 6, BC is equal to 5 plus 5, that is 10, and AC is equal to 6. This is equal to, how many 6s do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4 6s makes 24. How many 4s do I have? 2 makes 8. How many 5s do I have? 10, and another 10. So this is equal to 32, 42, 52.